Hi, Textile Construction 2 students. I'm Miss Clark. I am going to go through Canvas with you and welcome you to the class. So, hello everyone. I love sewing. I hope you do too. We will do a lot of it this semester, and I hope just to help you learn more than you knew before. So, I'm happy to have you, and let's just walk through Canvas here a little bit. So, as you can see on Canvas, you are going to go to your dashboard. You should see a Textile Construction 2 course. We will use Canvas a lot in this class, so I just wanted to make sure you knew how to use it, and we'll go from there. So this is the home page. They all look the same this year. This video will go here. My email is here. The syllabus is attached here. The modules are here. Class resources are here. So I'm just going to go through, we'll go through the syllabus in class. You can do that also on your own. Learning modules. Modules have everything in there, so we're going to go there first. And you will see, I should have this on student view so you can see what you're going to see. I will add to this as we go. But your modules will be listed here for you. I also have Canvas tips. I have some tutorials here. There's a supply list. Everything that you need is always under modules. So we will use modules almost exclusively. Another area that will be helpful for you is this class resources button. This also has some of the same information in it. So the syllabus is here, the skill checklist that you need to meet the standards to pass the class is there, the project supply list, any tutorials are here for you. If we have to have a Google Meet, it'll be put there for you. And then the calendar, so kind of an outline of how the course will go. And we will talk about that in class also. So these are all things that are there and available for you. Your grades will be available for you here. Any assignments, we really don't have assignments. We'll be working more on projects. Okay, so that's all I have for you right now. You can find other videos and other information always on the Canvas page. Thank you.